Have you ever stood in front of the mirror and wondered, should I run or lift weights to lose fat? I used to ask myself the same question. Cardio makes you sweat a lot, but weightlifting makes you feel strong. So, which one actually burns fat better? Cardio, short for cardiovascular exercise, includes anything that gets your heart pumping: running, biking, swimming, jumping rope. You've probably heard it's the go-to method for fat loss. And it's true, just 30 minutes of running can burn anywhere from 300 to 500 calories, depending on your weight and intensity. But here's the catch. If you only do cardio without strength training, you may lose muscle over time, and that lowers your resting metabolism. In other words, your body burns fewer calories while doing nothing. Weight training, on the other hand, helps build and preserve muscle mass, and muscle is a calorie-burning powerhouse. Just 1 kilogram of muscle burns about 13 extra calories a day at rest. Here's something even more interesting. After a tough weight session, your body keeps burning calories for hours, thanks to a process called EPOC, excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. That means you're still burning fat while eating dinner. So which one wins? If we only look at calories burned during a session, cardio might take the lead. But long-term, weight training builds a stronger metabolic foundation. In reality, combining both is the ultimate fat loss formula. Cardio helps burn energy fast. Weight training keeps the fat-burning engine running longer. I used to think that running every day was enough. I lost weight, sure, but my body still looked soft, tired, and weak. Then I switched it up. 3 days of strength, 2 days of cardio. That's when the real change started. If you're just starting out, try this simple weekly plan. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, full body strength training. Tuesday, Thursday, moderate cardio. Brisk walk, cycling, light HIIT. Weekend, rest, active recovery, or yoga. The key is, don't treat cardio and weights like rivals. They're teammates. Use both to build the body you want. Cardio or weights? The most important thing is to start. Don't wait for the perfect routine. Start with what you have. Every session is a step toward the best version of yourself. Do you prefer cardio, weights, or both? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. Hit that like button if this video helped you understand fat loss better. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Let's get stronger together.